Hello everybody, Papa Blue Shirt here. I have an exciting product for you today. Take a look at these 1/4 inch cable clips. These are really handy for when you want to, they include the screws with them and you just screw it down to wherever you want it. So you can put these anywhere you want it. So these are really handy to have around when you want to do some cable management. But I mostly use these to tie down my automatic 1/4 inch watering pipes for my automatic waterers. These really work good for that. Alrighty, this is Papa Blue Shirt. I hope that was helpful.